Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and today I'm going to talk about regression versus classification. So welcome again, future AI practitioners. Today we're diving into the epic battle of regression versus classification. So strap in for this roller coaster of a ride. Okay, so imagine you're a wizard in the magical world of machine learning. You have two magical spells to choose from: regression, classification. But which one should I cast? Let's break that down, team. So here we are. Regression is like predicting the future on a number line. Let me just pull this up a little bit so you can see it. It's all about estimating continuous values. So think of it as guessing how many jelly beans are in a jar, or trying to predict maybe future house prices. Classification over here, on the other hand, is like sorting your laundry. It's about putting things into distinct categories. So here we have red, here we have blue, here we have green. Is this email spam or not? Is this picture a cat or a dog? That's classification. So if you see further down the board, you'll see some more tips on how we can decide. So how do we choose? Regression. Is your output a number on a scale? Use regression. Or are we trying to predict something? That's also regression. Over here on classification, is your output a category or a class? If it is, classification. Or are you trying to group something together or label something? Then that's also classification, team. Fantastic. So let's talk about some real world examples. We talked about regression, house prices, as you can see here, number one, estimating sales, number two, forecasting temperature, all regression case studies, classification, spam detection, image recognition, sentiment analysis. You can see those two, spam and sentiment analysis, are there on the board itself. Let's look at a case study now. Amazon. Amazon used classification in SageMaker to help revolutionize their product categorization. So they trained a model to automatically classify millions of products into the right categories, making search and recommendations a breeze. Fantastic. So, exam tips. Remember, regression for numbers, classification for categories. It's like choosing between a ruler and a label maker. Pick the right tool for the job. So here's a fun analogy, team. Regression is like guessing someone's age, continuous, while classification is like guessing if they're a millennial or a boomer, discrete categories. So choose wisely, or you might offend someone at a great party. Not a good look. So let's recap. Regression predicts continuous values. Classification sorts into categories. Choose based on your output type. AWS, SageMaker in particular, can deal with both types of tasks and practice identifying which one to use. And there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to choose between the two. But remember, in the AW exam and in real life, choosing the right tool is only half the battle. Now go forth and conquer that exam. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have loved this video. Check out my other AWS AI Practitioner series videos on this playlist and on this channel. Until next time, keep learning and stay classified. Or is it regressed? You know what I mean. You take care. At Digital Colmer, signing off.